Part A is 35. The correct answer for part B is 375. This question tests you on your ability to interpret the graph. And you must pay attention to the unit given in your axis. This one is every 5 minutes, not every 1 minute, while the other one is every 2 minutes. So some students didn't read this part clearly. You think that they are the same axis. They are not. So that is where a lot of people will have made a mistake. Okay. Total number of cards printed from the start. So in 5 minutes, how many more cards did B print than A? So A in 5 minutes printed how many? From the graph, A is 40, right? From the graph, A is in the middle. You can read off 5 minutes from the middle, right? You should be able to see that this number here will be 75. And so B is 75, right? And therefore, for part A, it's just 75 minus 40 to give me 35. That is your difference by reading off the graph. Part B. Both machines did not change their rates of print throughout. When A had printed 200 cards, how many cards had B printed? How long will A take to print 200 cards? That's the first thing you ought to figure out, right? You can read that off the graph, right? A would have taken 25 minutes to print 200. So what you are interested in is the time, because B would have taken 25 minutes too. And what do we have for B? This is a rate question, right? So for B, we already established in part A that in B, 5 minutes, you will have printed how much? In 5 minutes, you print 75, right? And therefore, in 25 minutes, which is the time it takes A to print 200, the answer is simply 75 times 5, ma. And that's why it's 375. So even though B doesn't show you the exact graph, but you can extrapolate because it's a constant rate. So the first thing that is important here, you find A takes how long to go and print your 200 cards, which can be just directly read off the graph, which is 25 minutes. And then using the rate that you found in part A,